In this activity, we're going to create a 4,800 square foot house design. We're going to be doing that from scratch. So to start, we're going to open up a new project, and we're at our blank interface here, and we're going to start by inserting some walls. So we'll start by inserting a wall. So to create a 4,800 square foot two-story structure, we know that the area is the length times the width. So since it's a two-story structure, we'll need 2 floors at 2,400 square feet. So a 60 by 40 rectangle will give us 2,400 for each floor. So we'll start out by creating an approximate 60-foot wall, and we'll put in the exact dimension in a second, but we'll get this as close to 60. So we'll just click on that and make this one about 40, and we'll bring this back over and we'll close out our design there. Okay, so now we hit escape and we have our first ground floor walls, and now we want to make this 60 feet exactly. So we notice that we have the dimensioning here. We'll just click on this 61-foot dimension on the outside dimension, and we'll change that to 60, and make sure you put the feet back in. So 60 feet there, and we notice now we have 60 feet on both sides. We changed, and if you notice, you have 60 feet on the outside dimension and 59 on the inside dimension, 59.4, because of the thickness of the wall. So we want to change this wall, the outside dimension, to 40 feet. So we'll just be 40 feet, and now we have 2 40-foot walls. So we have a 60 by 40 rectangle that's 2,400 square feet, and we can see that if we look at our 3D overview, and we have our ground floor. So we'll go back to 2D here. Now we want to add a foundation. We've done this before, so we'll stay on our ground floor. We'll go to our design wizard. We'll do floor and foundation builder. First we have to select our walls. We select our walls, then we go to insert design wizard, floor and foundation builder. We hit next. We're going to do foundation level. I'm going to select basement. We're going to use our walls, floors, just whatever floor we're doing, and the footing. We'll just use the first one there, and we'll hit next, next, and finish. Now we should be able to see our foundation, and if you go to your plan view, front elevation, we see we have a foundation. Okay, now we'll go to our ground floor again. We're going to in our 2D view, we're going to go to second floor. We're going to add a second floor to this structure. So we're going to add another wall, and we're just going to trace over this wall. Okay, escape. Now we just want to check the dimensions again. So we want to make sure these are 60 on the outside dimension. And the dimension here is 40. So we want to check our dimensions. So now we added our second floor. And we should be able to see that in our 3D overview. There we have it, and we can look at our front elevation. And we have our 3 floors, the basement, which doesn't count the square footage, and we have our 2 floors, the first and second floor. Okay. So we'll go back to our 2D view. Second floor, and now we'll just add our roof to complete the structure. And we'll just pick one of these pitch roofs here. We'll just click on that. And now if we look at, so we have our 2-story structure, and this would be a 4,800 square foot house. Now in the rest of the activity, you can go in and your ground floor, adding in interior walls and adding your kitchen, dining area, living space, and your second floor, you can start creating that interior design. Okay.